Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about gaming, video editing, or just want one of the most powerful laptops you can buy in 2025, then you'll want to stay tuned. Today, I'm taking a deep dive into the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop, a beast powered by Intel's Ultra 9 275HX processor and NVIDIA's RTX 5070 graphics card. We'll cover its performance, design, display, and real-world use. Plus, I'll tell you where to get the best deal on Amazon with my affiliate link in the description below. Let's start with the design. The Eclipse gray finish gives it a sleek, professional look, subtle enough for office work, yet clearly built for gamers. The laptop has that signature ROG aesthetic, with clean lines, customizable RGB lighting around the keyboard and base, and a solid aluminum chassis that feels premium to the touch. Despite packing so much power, it's surprisingly slim and well-balanced. The 16-inch form factor offers a perfect blend of portability and screen real estate, ideal for gamers on the go, creators, and students who want serious performance without lugging around a desktop. Now, let's talk about what makes this laptop visually stunning: the 16-inch 2.5K Nebula Display. We're talking about a 2560 by 1600 resolution panel with a 240 Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth gameplay and vibrant color accuracy. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077, editing 4K footage, or watching your favorite Netflix series, this screen looks absolutely gorgeous. The 16 by 10 aspect ratio also gives you a little extra vertical space, perfect for multitasking, coding, or streaming. Under the hood, this machine is an absolute monster. Powered by the Intel Ultra 9 275HX, one of Intel's newest high-performance CPUs, you're getting lightning-fast speed for gaming, rendering, and heavy multitasking. Pair that with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, and you'll have no trouble running multiple AAA games, editing large video projects, or streaming live, all at once. The 2TB PCIe SSD ensures ultra-fast load times and plenty of storage for your games, media, and creative files. And of course, the star of the show, the NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU. This graphics card brings ray tracing, DLSS 3, and next-gen AI rendering to your favorite titles. Expect incredible frame rates, realistic lighting, and smooth performance even in the most demanding games. Performance means nothing without good cooling, and ASUS nails it here. The ROG Intelligent Cooling System uses liquid metal on the CPU and multiple heat pipes to keep temps low even during intense gaming marathons. Fans stay surprisingly quiet too, which is a big plus if you're recording or streaming. The RGB backlit keyboard is pure perfection for gamers. Customizable zones, responsive key travel, and that signature ROG feel make it ideal for both gaming and productivity. And yes, the per-key RGB can be synced with RSync to match your entire setup. Out of the box, it runs Windows 11 Pro, giving you professional-level performance and all the latest gaming and productivity features. ASUS also includes their Armoury Crate software, where you can tweak lighting, monitor system performance, and adjust fan profiles with ease. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or power user looking for the perfect balance between speed, style, and display quality, this machine checks every box. It's great for 3D rendering, video editing, streaming, and of course, competitive gaming. And the best part? It's future-proof. With this much power and upgradable components, you won't need to upgrade for years. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is one of the most capable and well-balanced gaming laptops of 2025, delivering desktop-level performance in a portable package. If you want to check it out, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. You'll get the latest pricing and support the channel at no extra cost. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth laptop reviews and gaming gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.